Hello and welcome to Comfycozyup. So today I'm going to be doing bits of what am I reading, and I'm going to do a tag. I haven't done a tag in a while. So first, I finished Good Time, and I know I've been calling it Good Girl. I don't know why, but Good Girl was the first book and Good Time is a spinoff, and I enjoy it. It's a nice take on marriage, as far as like, if you're hearing all that noise, that's my dog. It's a nice take on marriage as far as like arranged marriage, or people who get married within a short period of time of them knowing each other. And I like the interesting take that she took to the story. I love the character. She is really Jenna Austin's really like a comedic writer. Like, her romance are usually, you know, filled with humor, and you always end up laughing at the characters for some of the silly things that they do that makes them, you know, likable. And I did a full review on my blog this morning, so it is already posted this morning. And I also find myself very connected to the character because, you know, I'm not alone. You know, when you think you're the only one that have an attachment to this thing here. So far, I never thought of putting a whole tub of this. No, I needed to eat it. So all I had to say was, Jenna, you know me. Yeah, I'm not a freak after all, I guess. 'Cause there's other people like me. Anyway, go check it out. Now, the book I'm currently reading is Disgrace, and it is definitely looking like it's gonna be one of my top favorite romance novel of the year. I'm enjoying it. It is so good. I literally stayed up all night and read over 300 pages. That's how good the book is. I have about 70 something to go, and it's gonna be finished today. And I'm gonna do a full review on it because I am absolutely in love with Brittany Cherry. She just always gets me to enjoy her story, and this one is just really up my alley. Like, this is just, yes, I'm here for that one. But anyway, so now I'm gonna do the end of year book tag, and this was created by Ariel Bissett last year. So the first question is, are there any books that you started this year that you need to finish? Not really. I had started 2 other books, but really not in a rush to finish them. It's just not, I'm just not in the mood for them, and I know I'm not going to finish them this year, so no. So do you have any autumnal book to transition into the end of the year? No. The only book that I think that I always try to read in autumn is Octavia Butler's books. Any one of her books, which I did this year. I read Parable of the Talents, and you guys know that was a 5-star book for me. And it's interesting that the book I'm currently reading do give me a different take. It's romance, but it's a different take on religion and self. So definitely going to talk about that tomorrow. Is there a new release you're still waiting for? No. Pretty much all the books I wanted to read for the year came out. There was a recent one that came out maybe 2 weeks ago, and the romance novel, which I already read. So no. What are the books you want to read before the end of the year? Now, this is a must. I am going to pick this up as soon as the Smutathon is done, and I read all those romance novels. This is getting read for sure. So yeah, this is next. This one is a stretch, but I haven't read a classic. Well, a real classic. I mean, the other ones are, I would say, modern classic, but I need to read this. Dangerous Liaisons, and it's good, but it's just, you know, it's classic, and I feel like classic I need to really take my time to read, and it's the end of the year, and I'm trying to read more books, and this one is, you know, this is something you want to take your time to read. And so we'll see. Those are only two. I don't have three because the other books are romance novel that it's a, you know, it's not like I'm desperately want to read them. It's just I'm going to read them, but not like, you know, like how I feel about these, where I definitely want to, you know, finish. What's the other question? Is there a book you think could still shock you or become your favorite book of the year? My #1 book has been #1 for months. Actually, it's been #1 for most of the year. I don't see any book that can make me feel the kind of emotion this book had me, you know, feeling. There's one other book that came very close, but no other book I feel right now that I have in my collection, or, you know, that could make me feel how I felt about that book. I just don't see it, so no. And have you already started making reading plans for 2019? Yes and no. I have a few books that I know I'm going to read at the beginning of the year, and especially in February for Black History Month. I tend to read all African American books, or books written by black somebody from maybe Africa, Caribbean, but as long as it's a black person, I tend to read. So I don't really have a big list planned, but you know, there's Poet X, there's Michelle Obama book I haven't read, there's a few others that I have. I need to pick up another J. California Cooper book. I haven't read any of her books in a while, and I really need to grab some of that. I also need to, as far as romance, I need to get a little bit more into you know, some more Beverly Jenkins, and I want to pick up Geneva Holiday, which is also known as Bernice McFadden books, her romance book. I want to get into those. So I was hoping to read one by the end of the year, but no, because I got that ordered online because I can't find it nowhere else but online. So that's the plan for as far as next year. And then my most anticipated book, which I should probably do a video on some of the books I know for sure I'm going to pick up when they come out. But I'm here for Patsy. What Patsy? More Patsy. So, you know, Nicole, yes, I'm waiting on Patsy. You're taunting me with all these Instagram more Patsy. So that book I'm definitely waiting for, and we'll see. So anyway, that is it. I am going to continue reading and get wrapped up in this book, Disgrace. Yeah, that's a good romance, guys. I can't wait to talk about it and move on to the other books on my list. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.